Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change language on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the General. Then in the General, scroll down again and find the Language and Region, then tap. Then after that, in the language and region, go to prepared languages, then click the add language to change the language that you want. For example, you want to change it to English UK from English India. So you all have to do is just tap it, the language that you want. Then a pop-up will appear, then click again the language that you want. Use English UK. And then wait for a while. And that's it, we have successfully changed language on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!